Hi y'all, I'm Allison. Welcome to the Mighty Bujo. We're changing up another weekly layout for January. Here's what we started with last week, and here's where the new one will go. So I'm excited. I'm actually caught up. I did this page just maybe an hour or two ago, and I'm getting the video finished. It's going to be scheduled. So yay! I wasn't sure that I was going to make it, but it is technically still January. It's January 23rd. Or 23rd, I wish. January 28th. So this time, my daughter turned 17 on the 23rd, which was just last Tuesday. So that's how I decided which elements to put on my weekly layout for this go-round. We went to Topgolf out in Fort Worth. We had a beautiful weather. I think it was like almost 70 degrees. So we're outside Tuesday afternoon playing golf. It was a lot of fun. It's my first time to go there. It's basically a driving range, but instead of just having a hole, there's these targets on the ground, and there's 3 different levels, and you aim for the bullseyes. So if you haven't heard of it, check it out, see if there's one in your area. I highly recommend going. We had so much fun. And by the way, this was the first time I'd ever held a golf club other than putt-putt, so it was quite entertaining. But anyway, I went with something completely out of the norm for me, and was trying to think of what I could do for winter that would tie in with my little green putting green down there. And I thought of a little sled going down a hill with some trees. But I'm really happy with the way that came out. I wasn't sure if it was going to work or not. It's really hard to show snow on white paper, but I think you can get the idea of what I was going for up top by my little to-do box. There, I can't believe my baby girl is 17. She's the youngest in the family with 3 older brothers, so they grow up so fast. Okay, this I put some pink washi on my zebra Mildliners when I got them, because I do have all 3 packs, but once you take them out of the box, it's impossible to know which group it came out of. So since there's a pink pack, yellow and blue, I added a strip of washi to each of them so I can tell. There was my daughter's birthday. Tuesday seemed to be our day for this entire month. My mom's birthday is next week on Tuesday the 30th. So my daughter missed her birthday by 1 week exactly. My son was born on my dad's birthday, so I was really hoping that my daughter would be born on my mom's, but she missed it by 7 days. Pretty close. But here it is. This is my last layout for January. And we've got a little golf theme going in honor of my daughter's birthday, but we still kept the winter theme. And I'm really, really happy with this one. I was surprised. So my next video will be either the cover page for February or my February setup. It depends on how quickly I can get things done. But I'm hoping to have it all up by the 1st. We'll see. And here's where we started. Just as a reminder, went from that to this. Completely different looks. Anyway, that was it. I'm done with January and it's time to move on to February. I hope everyone had an incredible month and that February goes even better for all of us. Y'all have a great one, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.